Hi everyone! Today, I want to tell you an interesting Japanese crane bird story and showing how I make this crane bird art. I made a video of a relation between crane birds and Japanese culture before, but today I want to tell you more. The interesting story that most Japanese people know. This story is telling us lessons of our lives, and you will know more about crane bird's mysterious beauty as well as Japanese culture. 鶴の恩返し The crane's return of a favor. Once upon a time, there was a young man living all alone in the mountains. He worked hard, but he was poor. One snowy day, he found the beautiful crane caught in a trap. He felt sorry for the crane and released it from a trap. A few days later, on a very snowy night, there was a soft knocking on the door of his place. A beautiful young lady was looking for lodging, as she had become lost in the snowy dark. He let her stay in his place. Outside, the snow began to blow, and it continued the next day and the next. In gratitude for having a place to stay, the young woman cooked for him and cleaned his house. She started living with him, and they became a husband and a wife. She was kind and hardworking. She hid in her room and made beautiful clothes that the young man sold at the market and got rich. She said, "You must not look at me while I work," to him. She worked so hard, though, that he became worried, and one day, finally, he took a peek, even though he knew he shouldn't. There was the crane that the young man had rescued, using her feathers to make the cloth. "You have seen me. I must leave now," she said sadly, even though he apologized and pleaded her to stay. And off she flew into the deep blue sky. Japanese folklores tell us lessons, and this story is also one of them. The lesson of Tsuru no Ongaeshi. Be kind even to animals. Be not wasteful of life. Show kindness to others. Those attitudes will encourage others to return the favor unexpectedly. Asking too many things does not last long. Keep a promise, otherwise you will suffer a loss. It makes you want to see it all the more when you are told not to. That is human being. This story also teaches us that even a good person like this young man can change his mind and does things he shouldn't do once he let his guard down. We can say these lessons have connections with Zen philosophy too. This is very famous traditional Japanese folklore, which most Japanese know. Crane birds have mysterious beauty with their long necks, long legs, and big white wings. And this story makes them even more mysterious. Crane birds are also not just beautiful, but they are good luck symbols. Symbols of long, healthy life and happy couples. As crane birds live long, around 1,000 years. And once crane birds make a couple, they stay together for all of their lives, so they symbolize happy and loving couples. I love to paint beautiful and mysterious crane birds to make good luck Japanese art. So that was how I made this crane bars art. And now you know this Japanese famous story. If you have more interest in crane bars, I have another video, so please check out. Also, I make more videos of my art. I make art of Japanese symbols such as sakura cherry blossoms and Mount Fuji, koi fish, bamboo, crane bars of course, and Ryujin dragon god. So please check out more videos. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.